Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are going to talk about folding. In fact, we are going to talk about folding a fitted sheet. I know a lot of people have been requesting this infamous how do I fold a fitted sheet video, so I'm going to show you. It is so super simple, and I mean really, it's super simple. You can do this. The one thing I will tell you that you need space, because I'll show you when I do this. I'll explain it as we go along. But the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to take your fitted sheet and find the corner. You're going to find two corners and put your fingers in those two corners. Then you're going to find the other two corners. Put your fingers in those two corners. So now you have two corners on your fingers. Then you just fold those over so that all four corners are in one pocket. See how simple that is? Now lay that flat out on your bed, on your table, and then you're going to even that out as nicely as you can. Then you can see how simple it is. Then you start folding it and folding it over, and suddenly you have a nicely folded fitted sheet. Now, some of you are saying, but that seems like a lot of work. Well, a lot of people struggle a lot with a fitted sheet. It is so easy to do and so simple, simply from going from the corners. Like I said, the first thing you do is you find your corners. Then once you have all of your corners, stack all of your corners together, and then just straighten that out and fold it. You can see how the elastic makes this nice little arc in there. When you fold it over, it's just a piece of cake. I mean, this really is not hard to do, and it's one of those things that you can easily have a nice fitted sheet folded in your drawer, in your closet, whatever. Now, the one thing I will add to this is when I fold my sheets, I do my body pillow, my pillowcases, my top sheet, and then my fitted sheet. When I put those in the drawer, I put them in that order because that's how I put them on my bed. First thing when I'm making my bed is my fitted sheet, then I do my top sheet, then pillowcases, then body pillow. So that way I'm not having to rummage through the drawer and pull everything out, but that makes my life easier. I hope that made things really simple. I know I've showed you this a couple times now, probably in slow motion, but yes, so that is how I do my fitted sheet. This is really cool, really simple, and you can do this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.